Hello, I'm Chris from Christy's Classy Clips, and I'm going to talk about the rose water. And I'm going to do a little reading too. I got my little paperwork here. It's got all the information on this little bottle. So as you can see, this bottle is 2 ounces. It's got a little spray top. And with this one, this rose water is certified organic rose hydrosol. And what's different with the rose hydrosol is that it's a common term in beauty industry for distilled plant water and means a suspension of particles in water. Lots of big words there, but pretty much it means that with our rose water, it is 100% distilled plant water, and it's not the same as what you would find in other products when you're mixing just rose essential oil with plain water. So this is, very much better to use. It has better ingredients. It's all real ingredients in here. You can use it all over your body. You can use it on your hair. Your hair kind of keeps it shiny, vitalized. You can massage it into your scalp, kind of moisturize and stimulate your hair follicles. And for the face, you can use that if you have acne areas. Just make sure you don't have any makeup on, but you can put on a cotton and just kind of dab it around the areas where you're having that trouble. And you can also just put it around your face just to have a little hydration, especially in the morning. It's nice to do, kind of wake your skin up. You can put it all over your body. You can put it if you're feeling dry anywhere. It's good for hydrating. It's a little idea is if you're working out, you're kind of hot, spray it around to cool and refresh yourself. So it's kind of an all-around usage for this rose water. And some of the benefits, I'm just going to read those off my little list here because I think it's good to know those things. You can use it as a hair tonic to hydrate and smooth your hair cuticles. Use it as a no-heat hair setting spray. So if you have your hair up with any of my accessories, use that spray to kind of set it in place, get any flyaways out of the way. So that's a good use for it there. You can use it as a facial toner, and you can use it daily. So it's not going to irritate your skin. And you can even mist it in the air, on your body, just to kind of calm the mind. The smell is very nice, so that's something you might want to do as well. So if any of these little usages, catch your attention, definitely go check this rose water out. They are also in a lot of the sets, so if you want to check out the sets on the site, you can see what other things you can get with this rose water. I know if you end up really loving this, you can even get it a 3-pack and save some money that way as well. So definitely go check this out on the site. Have a good day.